Hello and welcome to another SY Diagnostics video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at FORScan, and in particular how to back up your module data prior to changing any settings or configuration. This is particularly useful if you've been on the internet and found a spreadsheet for a Ford F-150 and then taken this with FORScan to your little Fiesta or Focus and thinking then you can activate Bambi mode or Donald Duck mode or Mickey Mouse mode or unleash some hidden power, changing your 1 litre EcoBoost into an RS Focus. Then when you realise it doesn't work and you've got problems with the vehicle, things like your windows won't work or your headlights won't work, and you can't then change it back because you haven't taken a backup, this is what you need to do first. This is always the best procedure, industry standard practice, that you take a backup first before changing any settings. So without further ado, we'll open up FORScan. I'm not going to show you how to install it or how to first use it or how to set it up. I do have a video covering that. I'll put the link in the top corner and down below. So the vehicle's done its scan. No fault codes in the vehicle, looking at that. So where we need to go now, on the left hand side, little microchip symbol into configuration and programming. So we left click on that. Then we're going to back up the configuration files of the body control module. So we highlight that, go to the bottom left corner and press the blue arrow there, which presses run. What it'll do now, if it's not already got the secondary bootloader for the module, it will go online and fetch this for you. So your computer does need to have an internet connection. This has the module file already loaded onto the computer. So also make sure your battery is fully charged. I'm currently on a battery maintainer. So we press OK to continue. And now what happens? The dashboard goes blank, the radio goes blank, a few bells and whistles. So we turn the ignition off as instructed. Press OK. And then we've got the configuration of the vehicle there. I'll just lower it down a little bit so my chassis number's out the way. So this is all the options that are configured on my vehicle. I'll not go all the way down because we're not doing any changes. So what you would do prior to carrying out any work is go to the bottom here and press save. This then fetches up a little drop down box where you'd give your file name a relevant name. I'm going to call it Cougar. And today's date is the 6th of May, so I'm going to put 6/5/2020. And then we press OK. And that's saved that into that file. So let's say now you've done some configuration and it's not work and you want to put the file back in again. Then basically all you do, you go back there to load. It fetches that file back up again. And we can see here, that is the file I've just put in there. So we highlight that, press OK, and then press write. Obviously, if there are changes to do, it will change it for you. On this particular instance, there are no changes, so it's not going to change anything. But what that would do, it would then change all the as-built data for you. Once that's finished and it's loaded back to standard, then everything should be OK. We press stop button. It may ask you to cycle the ignition if there has been any changes. And then once it's finished there, we can go back up to the top left-hand corner to the interface and vehicle information screen. And that is the save and write procedure completed. So I hope this helps. I'm going to be doing some more of these FORScan videos, so keep an eye out. Thanks for watching. Please share, please comment, please subscribe, and please give me a like. Cheers, guys.